Hey guys, my name's Frank and this is my workshop. Hey guys, Frank here, and I'm going to show you my custom built Cub Cadet dump tractor. I built this 2 years ago. Use it around the house for landscaping chores and that sort of thing. And we'll take it for a spin, see what you think. Okay guys, this is the tandem dump Cub Cadet. I call it the 6x4 cargo Cub. This is built from 2 Cub Cadets. Obviously a rear axle from a second Cub Cadet was added behind the original Cub Cadet, so it's basically a 109 with an additional rear axle. The frame was extended. An additional section of frame was welded on. The brakes were extended from the front brakes to the rear brakes. The hydrostatic transmissions were coupled together, so they act as one. Both sets of wheels, both axles drive. There's a hydraulic cylinder here for dumping the bed, and this cylinder is driven off a hydraulic pump which is placed behind the second hydrostat. Comes off the rear. You can see the Lovejoy coupling there. If we go around here, you can see the hydraulic pump itself is right here, and you can see the lines are plumbed then. From that hydraulic pump forward to the operation, the dump valve. This valve is foot operated, so you can operate it from the operator's seat with your toe. Pull up here to raise the bed, push it down to lower the bed. So it makes it real easy. You can operate it with your foot. Most of the other features are typical Cub Cadet, except the battery here is, the seat's on a raised platform because it has to hold the battery, and underneath the battery is access to the front rear axle, and that front and rear axle has connections to supply hydraulic fluid to the pump. So that's how that works. The bed itself is lined with starboard, which is a polyethylene type material, so it's rust free, as is the bottom. The rear tailgate comes off. It's mitered in there. Alright, so let's start it up and go for a spin here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of the Cub Cadet dump tractor, my custom cargo Cub 6x4. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. We'll have more videos on Cub Cadet maintenance and repairs, as well as other projects around the shop. I'll put a link to the hydrostatic transmission repair, which was just completed. If you have a hydrostatic Cub Cadet, you may find that helpful. Alright, so that's all for now. We'll see you guys next time.